Hey guys, Simply Coley here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing for a new thing. It is the Target Beauty Box for this month in January. And actually my husband bought it for me, and he said he got it for me because he was thinking about me and thought I could make a video, and I thought that was so sweet of him. So shout out to him. And it is just a regular box, so I mean you could do anything you want. This is actually how it came shipped. It just was saran wrapped basically, and this is how they shipped it. So interesting. It's cute, functional, I guess. Everything is fine. I don't have any problem with it, but I do like the colors, so I don't know if I would use this box for anything. I guess you could. You could wrap stuff in it. I don't know. I wouldn't display it because it says Target on it, but you know, whatever. So this is the box, and it was $7. And how he found it, I have no idea, but he said he saw it and he was like, would you want this? And I was like, well, I guess. So here is the card, and this is a skin box, so it's got like moisturizers and stuff in it. So on the back it has the description of what's inside and a $3 off coupon if you buy $15 or more. So it's kind of cool. So let's take a look and see what we got. in the box. So the first thing I will pull out is a Cetaphil, I think that's how you say it, moisturizing cream, body, dry, sensitive skin for long-lasting moisture. This is obviously just one of those foil packets here. It's not very filled at all, so I'm not sure, you know, what this would work on. Maybe an elbow, maybe your hands for, you know, one moisturizing session. But that's good because my hands are actually very chapped. So I could actually put this in my purse. So I'm not mad about it. Not mad about it. Let's see. The next thing is from Vichy Laboratories, Mineral 89 Booster Quotidian Fortifiant. I have no idea what any of that means. It says mineralizing water plus hyaluronic acid. I've heard that hyaluronic acid is good for you, so a lot of little things in here. So that's good, I guess. I don't know what this is. So, okay, so it's just like a little tube, which is kind of cute, and it's got a little pump on it. It's actually really adorable. Okay, so that's interesting. What you do with this, I'm not sure. So let's see if the sides give us any sort of hint. It says that the Vichy Mineral is a mineral-rich water and hyaluronic acid fortify skin, making it resistant to visible aging, all while delivering a boost of hydration. Hello Glow. For best results, apply 2 drops onto skin after cleansing in the morning and evening. The whole skin? It doesn't specifically say. So the next thing we'll look at is this lotion here. It is a Dove Dry Skin Relief Body Lotion. So that's awesome. This is a pretty big, nice size of a lotion. And this is perfect. I actually need lotion. So this box is actually perfect for me because I don't ever buy skincare for myself because I am way too cheap. You can check out some of my other unboxings above and you can see how I complain about the cost of skincare constantly. And yeah, so let's take a look at the next thing. The next thing we have is also from Cetaphil, a extra gentle daily scrub, which is for your face. It says it exfoliates microfine particles to renew radiant looking skin, cleanses without over drying, non-irritating. So that's kind of neat. I do like the looks of that. All of these obviously I think are like tube sample size things. I've never gotten this box before, so it's all new to me. But it's kind of neat, and for $7, so far we've got 3 moderately sized items, I think, because the one thing only says 2 drops. So let's see. This one is La Roche-Posay Redermic Corrector Anti-Aging Retinol. Okay, I've heard of retinol. That's something that is pretty fancy that people use. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, so this is just like a little tube. I think this would be for your eyes, maybe? I don't know. Let's take a gander and see what this sheet here has to say. Here we go. Potent retinol cream visibly reduces wrinkles, smooths texture, and helps even skin tone. It is powerful. Apply moisturizer to your face first to water down its potency. It's to water it down first? Maybe so it'll go further? Maybe that's what they're trying to say. Next thing is from CeraVe, a skin renewing night cream. That's kind of neat. I've never tried like a night cream or anything before because, as we've explained, I am way too cheap for this kind of stuff. So this is especially designed to work with your natural circadian rhythm to help restore skin's barrier overnight. Wake up a refreshed, renewed you. Apply around the face in small dots, then gently smooth onto skin until thoroughly absorbed. Use nightly before bed. Okay, that's kind of neat. Doesn't smell. I mean, it's kind of like definitely got, I mean, it's just for your face, so I don't know, a couple uses I would think. I mean, it just says dot it on, so. The last thing in here is a Toleraine Hydrating Gentle Cleanser from La Roche-Posay. This is for normal to dry skin. Jeez Louise, this is a lot of stuff. So this one says that it gently cleanses while maintaining skin's natural pH balance to restore moisture for a clean and clear complexion. So we've got a lot of stuff here. Let's try and figure this out. It says that we have a cleanser, which is good. Just general lotions, which are good. We've got a wrinkle reducer, which you put on after your lotion. A skin fortifying daily booster, which rehydrates your skin. And oh my gosh, there's more. You have a, a gentle scrub, which can exfoliate your skin. And a night serum. This is a lot of stuff. I mean, for $7, I'm not mad about it. I think this is all kind of cool and you get to try it all because, like I've said before, I'm too cheap. And this is stuff I might actually purchase because this is stuff from Target, so it's not going to be like insanely priced. So if I like any of these things, I think this is an awesome way to try it. So I'm really excited to give these things a go. And if you guys like this video and unboxings and you like try-ons or anime reviews or just reviews about makeup products or beauty products or anything in general that I just like that I review, definitely subscribe to this channel. That would be amazing. And give this video a like, and I hope to see you guys next time.